Welcome home, home made by you. Welcome home, home made by you. Welcome home.
Hey baby, let's go for the run. Are you ready?
Introducing the Smartbe, the first intelligent stroller in the world, which solves all your needs as well as your baby's. By means of a motion tracking sensor system, Smartbe follows you wherever you go. When you walk, stop, go backwards, or continue walking forward. Smartbe features a climatized rocking carry cone, automatic canopies, a fast bottle warmer, and baby lullaby music. Smartbe integrally solves all the needs at the time of strolling outdoors with the family. Smartbe is completely safe for both babies and parents. The security system of Smartbe includes a distance control anti-theft alarm, a security lock, a safety belt wrist strap, and light signals. Optimize your time as a parent, while the video sound monitoring system of Smartbe helps you take care of your baby.
Living art. Meet the Noku Canvas. Now, the Noku Canvas isn't just a pretty face. It also solves 3 of the biggest problems plant owners encounter at home: overwatering, underwatering, and space, as we know some of us have a few too many plants. The Noku Canvas solves all these problems. It's the self-watering wall-mounted solution you've been looking for. Just take a houseplant, plug it into the canvas, and pop it on the wall. It's that easy. But what about the watering? Don't worry, just fill it up and the Noku Canvas handles the rest. Through its hydroponic design, the wicking system sucks up just the right amount of water. The Noku Canvas frees up space, allowing you to make the most of your home. Thanks to the fully removable wall mounts, which don't mark your walls, your Noku Canvas can truly go anywhere. Jungle in your bathroom? Herbs on your kitchen wall? Anything you want.